Aliento is a new, gated community located on the northeast end of Santa Clarita and situated in the hills on 900 acres, offering some amazing views. There are 5 master plan neighborhoods, one of which is called Verano and intended for the 55-plus crowd. The other neighborhoods are called Arista, Tierno, Cresta, and Lucera. Development began in early 2017 by 2 highly regarded builders, Tri-Point Homes and Party Homes. The housing consists of 2, 3, 4, and 5-bedroom homes, generally sized from 1,599 square feet to 3,840 square feet. Walking through the models, it's clear the architects make good use of space. Some homes even include a small alcove specifically intended for Fido's long naps. The amenities are terrific, including a gorgeous clubhouse, amazing pools, spas, a gym, parks, trails, and everything you might expect in a new community. Then, Aliento residents can walk or drive to convenient nearby shopping and dining in the plaza at Golden Valley, just a stone's throw away. The children of Aliento attend some amazing award-winning schools. The grade school children will attend Golden Oak Community School, the younger teens go to La Mesa Junior High, and the older teens attend Golden Valley. Of course, there's plenty more to share, so contact us and we'll answer your questions and take you on a tour. When working with us, there's never any sales pressure, and our primary goal is to provide you with the information you need to make accurate and informed decisions. Contact us today, Matt and Marie Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group, 661-713-4799. Bye now.